Let's get some ghee in here. We're gonna brown up this stew pork, as they call it, and that's only like pork chopped up like stew beef. Gonna add a little Monterey steak seasoning. Not much, just a bit. Because I want to brown it up. A little bit more. So, we're just gonna move to this side where the most of the heat is. Down a bit. Gonna add just a little bit more. Let that melt. This is some garlic that I have. In the freezer, I'm sorry. I just grate them down and put them in little puffs and put them in the freezer. And I have some onions and some carrots. You can add any kind of veggie you like. I'm going to cook that down for a few minutes, just a few minutes. Oh, I thought you were gone. You're still there, huh? I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Gotta clean up this mess. I'm going to turn it down low, about on 2 or 3. I'm going to cover it and let this rice cook. Beautiful. It only took about 12 minutes. And you don't want to cook it too long because you don't want it to dry out. Yum. Let's you see what this looks like. Let's try a bit. How about it? I think I got everything in here. Some onions and all. There you go. And I'm going to add, on mine personally, I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Let's give this a try. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. We did it again. It's delicious. Mm-hmm. So until next time, don't forget to pray. Later.